Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created these cute Christmas shadow boxes using Dollar Tree signs. The signs were already white, so I didn't have to paint them. I did glue scrap paper from Hobby Lobby to the inside of both and added some natural nautical rope from Dollar Tree. The first thing was to stain the tree trunks with Waverly wax. I applied the stain and rubbed it off. The pieces of wood I'm using are leftovers from previous projects, so there was very little cutting that I had to do for this. I used leftover tree pieces for the trees. The scrapbook paper I'm using I got from Tuesday morning. It was on sale. I think I got it for about $5 for a 25-piece pack. I cut the scrapbook paper down so it would fit on the tree. I then used Mod Podge to glue the paper to the wood. I got this little brush out of the makeup section at Dollar Tree. The brushes work great for applying Mod Podge and also for painting. The bristles don't fall out like regular cheap paint brushes. I would definitely recommend grabbing a few of these. I folded the edges over the wood and glued them down also. I went ahead and glued the small tree and the trunk to the box. I cut down the scrapbook paper for the larger tree and used Mod Podge the same way I did for the smaller tree. I wanted the second tree to stick out a little, so I used a tumbling tower block and hot glued it to the back of the tree. I also went ahead and glued the trunk to the tree. I made sure it was going to fit and then hot glued the second tree to the box. I think it turned out pretty stinking cute. For the second box, I hot glued 2 pieces of wood together to make one tree. Like I said, I'm using scrap pieces of wood from other projects. I wanted this tree to be made with twine, so I added a bead of glue at the bottom of the tree and then placed the twine in the bead of glue. I did this for the first few rows of the tree, and then I just started wrapping the twine until I got closer to the top, adding glue just when I needed it. Once I got to the top, I still didn't really like how it looked, so I just started wrapping the twine in different patterns up and down the tree. I attached a block and the trunk to the back of the tree. This was a really fun and easy Christmas project. I hope you enjoyed it and get a little inspiration for your own. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will have a ton more Christmas videos in the weeks to come, and I know you don't want to miss any of them. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.